Breaking news reported for the city of Denver. We have received reports of a storm like no other forming in the United States. We urge all citizens to remain calm at this time. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for United States until further notice at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A tornado larger than El Reno has formed in the center of the United States. The tornado is confirmed to be from a Robert Skin called Tornado Alley Ultimate, and the tornado is confirmed to be pure insanity. We advise all citizens to shelter in place immediately. This storm is no joke. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. All clear. I repeat, all clear. Pure insanity has dissipated. It is safe to get out of your shelters now. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this nightmare. Normal programming will resume.